Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional Indian and Chinese medicine. It is derived from the root of the Curcuma longa plant, and its main active ingredient is curcumin. Some of the potential health benefits of turmeric that have been studied include anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains compounds that have strong anti-inflammatory effects, which may help reduce inflammation and pain in the body. Antioxidant properties. Turmeric also has potent antioxidant properties, which may help protect the body against cellular damage caused by free radicals. Brain health. Some studies have suggested that turmeric may have neuroprotective effects and may help improve brain function and reduce the risk of neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's. Improved digestion. Turmeric has traditionally been used to aid digestion and relieve bloating and gas. Heart health. Some research has shown that turmeric may help improve heart health by reducing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels. Pain relief. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric may also help alleviate pain, particularly in conditions such as arthritis. Skin health. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine to treat a range of skin conditions, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Boosted immune system. Turmeric may help support the immune system by activating certain immune cells and reducing inflammation. Anti-cancer effects. While more research is needed, some studies have suggested that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, may have anti-cancer effects. Wound healing. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine to help heal wounds and promote skin regeneration. While there is promising research on the potential health benefits of turmeric and curcumin, more studies are needed to fully understand their effects on human health. It is also important to note that turmeric and curcumin supplements may interact with certain medications, so it is always best to speak with your healthcare provider before taking any new supplements. If you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell button for more interesting videos.